Now go and launch your Hadoop. Yes. Now what we need to do is we need to understand that there are various types of data actually which comes in the system, right? We can classify the data into two types. One is structured and second one is unstructured, right? When it comes to unstructured data, it is images, it is videos, it is audios which come from different sources. Like you have so many you say social media networks where lots of images are being uploaded, right? And apart from that, you have structured data also, like in databases. Sometimes your database scalability may cost you. So what you decide is that you will go and you will take up, you will bring the data from database layer. Anu. You will bring the data from database there, and you will do what? You will go and you will put it on HDFS, and then you will ensure that you are doing the analysis. Okay, that's what is overall objective. So we'll see how actually structured data is brought, and what database will select. We can use any database for that matter. Whatever database you feel you can use, like it can be Oracle, it can be MySQL, it can be MS SQL, right? It can be any database that you wish, you can bring it in the system, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to do installation of MySQL here, right? And we will see how actually what component is used in order to create an interface between Hadoop and MySQL in order to start up with the task. Okay, so you have started Hadoop. Now what you need to do is you need to go and install MySQL server, right? So I will type in the command in the chat box. You can go and you can use that command in order to actually work, right? So I'll just go here and write sudo apt-get as usual to do any installation, and then you go and write install. You need not go to any particular folder in order to do installation, because all this will get installed in USR lib only. So I'll just go and specify from wherever you want you can install. Let's try with this command sudo apt-get install MySQL server. I have just written it in command prompt, not in command prompt, in the chat. Yeah, what it is saying, the following packages were automatically installed, and MySQL server is already the newest version. It means MySQL server is running. Okay, it's already installed. Have you installed it earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, so just go and write MySQL -u so that we can start MySQL -u. Specify the username. I feel it will be root. Then give a space and specify root there.
Hadoop?
Root is the user.
Root.
Yeah. Access denied for user root. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to give privileges, right, to all users. Fine.
Right.
So when you install, have you configured also MySQL?
No.
You have not configured. Okay, because you have to configure it.
Right.
Okay. Can you just go and uninstall it, remove it once? Just write sudo apt-get. Remove, give a space MySQL. Press enter. Server, yes, server.
Will I try this?
Yeah, reinstall it. Okay. Now just write MySQL, MySQL. Press enter. Right. So we have to go and we have to provide privileges. Okay, so I'll just type in the command so that you can give. Now see, installation of each and every database can be different. Okay, it's not necessary that you have to have the same database. You can do installation of any database. So this is actually role of database administrators to go and do installation of various database. We are trying with MySQL, so we will just go and specify the privileges. And these privileges are from MySQL. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to just write grant, and just type in here. You have to just go and try this grant all on MySQL to within single quotes you will have @ and then localhost.
Is this like case sensitive?
Yes, case sensitive. Grant. You see write grant. It's not case sensitive. But yeah, grant all on MySQL to after @ also you have a single quotes, and these are not double quotes, these are single quotes.
Okay. Okay.
You have not closed that, no? You have this. See, you are using one single quotes here. So after this single quotes of @ you need to have another single quote for localhost, right? That you are not closing. Control C, you write.
Like this?
Yeah, single quotes, semicolon now.
Is it I have to be in a different folder or a different directory? Path is not set maybe.
Space root
Sorry?
SU and give a space and write root. SU, not sudo. SU. Semicolon. Password. Password is password itself.
Okay.
Now write here MySQL. Press enter. Again access denied. Not working. Now here you write grant all. Grant all. And this on. And if you see on top, you have no grant all on.
Okay.
Give a space, write MySQL 2 capital TO, and then you copy this root. Is there a upper top? If you see top, you have root @ yeah. Copy that and paste it there.
Hello?
See, what happens 14.4, you just write here MySQL minus U. We have to see, just write here PS once, just write PS and let's see whether MySQL process is running or not. Press enter. And just write PS. Now if you see it's not running. And we have to see whether MySQL is there or not. Just write it, try with this also once again. You have to see the compatible version. I've written here apt-get install. You don't need to write sudo now, apt-get directly because you are in root, you are root user. Give a space install. Write MySQL server 5.6. Actually, it should install, it should configure, and then it should start the server. That's what it is not doing as of now. This.
So looks like it removed 5.5.
Yes, it will remove.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
the
if
root
you see
password.
the thing, right? Now you specify the root password. So here it starts configuring. Just give some password which you can remember. Excel one. So then I have to
Hello?
show you once. So launch a different terminal once. Just go and start a new terminal. Let it be there. Launch a new terminal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now it is coming. Yeah, it came. What is there? What it is saying?
Unable to set
Unable to
password.
set password, and error occurred where you should have checked the account password after the package installation. Please refer to this. Happened because the account already had a password. Click on OK and let it go. Now you write here MySQL -u, give a space. Yeah. -u root, give a space -p you write, give a space -p, press enter. Enter the password root that you have already entered. It is saying password. Okay. If you see, I have written the steps here. Password is still not able to set. Just go and write PS there. PS to see what all processes are running. Whether HADOOP, whether this MySQL process is running or not. It's still not running. Okay, I'll be taking up the control and I'll show you how to do it from scratch. Let me do it.